Hi guys, this is Tavy and welcome back to my channel. So you've seen this look before. So I rewarded myself after washing all my makeup brushes. I'm gonna sit down and film a video because I really enjoy filming videos for you guys. So this video is going to be me ranking my primers and my setting sprays. I have not tried all the primers and all the setting sprays in the world, but these are the ones that I have in my collection. And if you disagree about the order of these primers and these setting sprays, it's fine. This is my personal opinion. All right, so I'm gonna see how many primers I actually have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're gonna start with the primers first, and I'm gonna go to least favorite to most favorite. So right now, the least favorite primer that I have tried, I think I got this in the Ipsy. It's the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer by Ciate London. To me, one of the main reasons why this is on my least favorite, I'm gonna give it another chance, you guys, because it's a high-end primer. But I'm gonna try to show you guys why. One of the, yep, here it is right here. One of the things that I really don't like about this primer, you see that? This little black spot comes out. Now, I don't know if that's to help the primer grip or whatever, but it comes out, and then as you're spreading this across your face, you can actually feel it. And it doesn't, it's just there. It doesn't like melt or anything. It's just like, see that? I don't like that. Now, it's a very hydrating primer. So I guess if you are needing something for hydrating, I would try something else, honestly. Try the Hydro Grip Primer. This one is it's just not my favorite. So another primer that I have here is the No Pore Problem Primer Essence. It says it's a primer essence, but it's supposed to be a primer. Now, this is not one of my favorites. Just because I don't know if this is supposed to be hydrating or what, but I don't like it. So I'm gonna see how watery that is. To me, I don't want my primer to be, it feels like it's really light. It feels like water. It's like you're putting water on your face and you just sit there and wait on the water to dry, and then you put some makeup on top of it. Now you guys may be surprised by the order that I have, because I do have some high-end primers up here and some that are not high-ends, and so some of the high-end ones didn't rank as high as I thought they would, but no worries. So the next primer, I was dying to try this. Bought into the hype. I was dying to try this, so I got a mini of it. I'm gonna use this on the other hand, and it's a good primer, but I just have other primers that I feel like do a better job. This is the Versace Skin Tune Blur. I feel like I have other primers that are easier to get out than this dropper, and that blurs a lot better than this actually blurs. Now, it's a good primer. I'm going to use it, but it's just not one of my top primers. It feels luxurious, but to me, it just doesn't blurs as much as I would like to. So that's just me. It dries pretty quickly. It doesn't feel like water. It does feel a little bit tacky. It's a decent primer. It's just not my favorite. So my next primer is actually a combination. I know y'all gonna be like, what, a combination? Yes, it's a combination, because on their own, this one probably would rank okay, but on its own, I don't think I would rank this as high. But you put these together, baby, you got a good combination. So this is the Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Smashbox Primer, and this is the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Primer. So the way I wear these is I put the Smashbox one down first, and in this, it blurs. Now you can see the blurring in this when you put it on your face, and it feels it's so smooth. But it may not be for oily skin girls, but if you wear them together, oily skin girls can wear them, and it blurs, but it has like that smooth kind of feeling to it, still that silicone type feel. So I like to put this, the L'Oreal Infallible, the matte one, on top of it. and use them together. And together, I get a smooth, blurring, just a great finish for my primer, a matte finish. For my primer, it's smooth, it's blurred, and you know, it's not too wet of a primer. And these two together, I always wear them together. They are bae together. Will I repurchase these when I run out? Probably not. I might repurchase this combo together because I like them together, but separately, not so much. But together they are. So this is actually top 3 for me. Yes, this is number 3. So this is top 3 for me, this combination. So I might repurchase these. I just kind of got them separately and put them together and fell in love with them. So number 2, you may be shocked, but it's the No Pore Problem Touch and Soul primer that we got. I think we got in our boxing. And when I first got this primer, yeah, I tried to give it away. I didn't even want to try it. When I first got this primer, I tried to give it to a friend, and she didn't want it. And so I was like, okay, she didn't want it. And then I saw people raving about it on Facebook or whatever. I was like, okay, well, let me give it a try. And it has become one of my favorite primers. Now, this is actually the primer that I take with me when I travel. But to me, it just feels so good, just so smooth. Now, you can put this one on top of this one also, but it blurs to me, but it just got a good feeling. Like I wish you could feel it, but it feels great. This is my number 2 primer right now, and so if I run out of this, I would definitely repurchase it. Now, my number 1 primer, it's the holy grail for me. I don't know how you guys feel. There's a dupe running around that I haven't tried, but I love the original. So it is the Tatcha Silk Canvas. Now, I know that there's the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer that everyone says is really good or whatever. Look at this. But I haven't tried the e.l.f. Poreless Primer for one. I love this one, and it's a full size, so I don't feel like I need to go out and buy a dupe when I already have something I love. Now, if I repurchase, I will repurchase this when I run out, but I'm going to repurchase a mini size because I have a few other primers that I like and that I need to get through. But to me, it turns a little purplish on your face, so you can't wear it by itself, but it blurs, baby. It blurs like none other. To me, this is irreplaceable in my collection because, like, it's just like I try to use these other ones and I love them, but if I want a high-end foundation, if I'm going out, I want my makeup, I want to look snatched, beat for the gods, baby, I'm grabbing Tatcha. That's just my personal opinion. All right, so next we're going to just ease on into the setting sprays. We're going to do it in the same order, least to greatest, and I'll let you guys know when I get to my top 3. So my least setting spray of all time, will never repurchase this. It's still trying to get through it because I bought it. But it's the Too Faced Peach Mist Mattifying Primer. This primer sucks. It sounds cheap. It leaves white spots all over your face. It leaves your makeup looking bad. Don't ever fall into the hype and think that this is a good product. Now, later on I will tell you why I was willing to purchase this. The second primer I have is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, the cucumber one. Only reason this one is down is because to me it doesn't seem like it makes my makeup last longer. It does take away the powdery effect, and to me that's about all it does. It takes away the powdery effect. So it's like water in a bottle, but with the cucumber scent. It's cute, it's compactable. So sometimes if I'm having a short day, or if I'm filming for you guys or something, I don't need anything, I'm just, set my face real quick, I will use this, and I do plan on using this into its entirety. The reason, don't kill me, the reason why this next one is is down so low is just because I only use it to wet my brushes for my eyeshadows. Every now and then I might use it to set my makeup, but I don't really use it to set my makeup. I use it to wet my brushes for my shimmer shades. So I really don't know how it does as far as setting your makeup and making it last or whatever. But I bought this mini Matte Fix Plus, and the only thing I use it for, if you can see, it's not that much gone out of it, is I keep it in my drawer. I use it to spray my flat brushes to go into my shimmer, and to me irreplaceable for that. For that is it is. But I really don't use this to set my face. So that's why this is so low on the list, because I haven't been using it to set my face. I really don't know how great it is. The next product I have is the Cooler SPF 30 setting spray. Now, I like this setting spray in the summertime or whenever I need some SPF. If you forget to put on some SPF, you can just spray with this. But this was getting your eyes, and it will burn your eyes. And it sounds cheap too, and it has like a scent to it. So it's not my favorite setting spray to use, but it's better than that Too Faced Peach, because it won't mess up your makeup. I promise you, it won't mess up your makeup, and it has SPF in there, and you have protection in it. And so I use this just because it has the SPF in there, but it's not my favorite. And I guess maybe the SPF is what will make it sting your eyes, so make sure you close your eyes, don't get in your eyes, and that may be why it has it scent in there. But if you need an SPF setting spray, I would definitely go with this one. It does the job. Now, my next setting spray, it's a drugstore affordable brand. It's the NYX Matte setting spray. To me, this NYX Matte, it leaves your makeup matte. It's a setting spray. It's cheap. It's way better than the Too Faced Peach one. So if I was going for a matte setting spray, I would definitely go for the NYX Matte. Now, this doesn't last as long as I guess some setting sprays does. You would say doesn't make your makeup as last. So if you're gonna have a long day, you're gonna definitely need to refresh when using this. It is an affordable product, but if you're just going out for like a couple of hours, you just going to the grocery store or whatever, set your makeup with this. It will matte it up. It will be great. Now, my next setting spray, and this is top number 4. It's number 4 because it just feels like I like it, but when you spray it, it just feels like it's nothing there. So I feel like I have to use a whole lot of products to really feel like I have something on my face. It's the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, and it is exactly what it says, ultra fine. It's an ultra fine mist. But it's a good setting spray. It sets my makeup. It lasts a long time, so I have no problem with it. It just feels like I'm not spraying anything on my face. Number 3, number 3, we got the Urban Decay All Nighter. The only reason why the Urban Decay All Nighter is not up any higher is because the next 2 are like I love, and if I did not have this in my collection, I have some backups of these. I think they're all minis. I don't think I own any full size. If I didn't have this in my collection, I wouldn't run out to the store and buy it. If I got it as a free sample or something, I could use some points or something, I would replace it that way. But I would not run and go buy it because I have some setting sprays that I love more than this. So the next setting spray, number 2, is the L'Oreal Infallible. And L'Oreal Infallible, to me, this makes your makeup just look so bomb. Like, it's just, I wish I could show y'all. Like, to me, it just makes your makeup just look so good. Now, the longevity of it, I would say it's not as long as some other setting sprays. Probably not as long as the Urban Decay All Nighter. But the look that you get when you spray your face with this is bar none. It's bar none. I love the look of this. Now, my number 1, my holy grail, if I lost it today, I'm going to replace it tomorrow. It's going to be my Too Faced 3-in-1 Hangover. Now, this to me, it gives you the look that the L'Oreal Infallible does, and it gives you the longevity of the Urban Decay All Nighter all-in-one spray. I think I'm almost out. I think I already have a backup of this one. This is my babe. This is my boo. This is everything. If I never have to buy another setting spray in my life, I will be fine. This one would be it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining me. Comment down below. Let me know what's your favorite setting spray or your top 3 setting sprays. Or if you like some of the ones I didn't, just give me some comments. Let me know your favorite primers. Some primers that you haven't tried that you want to try. Just leave me some comments. But I thank you guys for joining me. Bye-bye.